What's up guys, I'm Eli with Shine Division Detailing. We are now offering wheels off coating service. This is going to be a great addition to almost any package, but primarily paint correction and ceramic coating services. This is going to be great for new vehicles, new wheels, protecting that wheel finish with a ceramic coating, or pulling off wheels that need a little bit more TLC. We can get in there, clean it up really good, and then remount it. We've invested into some pretty fun equipment. Of course, the jack to lift the vehicle up safely, a wheel cradle, which is going to cradle the wheel and tire so we're not having to manhandle this thing off of the vehicle. This is going to give us access to the full wheel barrel, the exposed chassis components, and we are going to be also labeling the wheel and tire so we know exactly what position of the vehicle they were in. We don't want to get a mix match once we pull them off the vehicle and change the rotation of that tire tread. I know it matters with a lot of vehicles. Also, we are going to be wheel torquing the lugs hand by hand with a torque to the manufacturer's spec. We're really excited to offer this service as an addition. If you would like to have this done on your vehicle, feel free to reach out or give us a call. We'll get you on the schedule.